Hi everyone. Well, I just want to cut a short video, so I'm not sure you could hear the birds chirping outside. They were literally fighting each other earlier, and it's kind of coincidental because I finished watching one of my good friends, Joanne Pham's video about her hearing um, the sound of nature, weird sound of nature, outside of her home. So and then another friend of mine, Peter Sorensen, posted something about frogs um, arriving at his home, making all kinds of noise, weird noises all night long. So I guess since we're on the subject of sound nature, I just want to cut this video real quick and see if I can take this outside so you can hear it. I'm gonna have to be really, really, really outside. Hear it. Yeah. See the birds. See the birds on the fence. It's like a couple of birds. Uh, they're either playing, fooling around, flying around, fighting earlier. It was kind of cute. So, you could see one perching on the fence over there. See one perching on the fence. Let me see if I can get closer. There it goes, flying off. Anyway, so just want to cut this and share that with you real quick. Just love the sound of nature. Talk soon. Bye. You hear that bird chirping really loud. You hear that? I know you can see the bird perching on the fence over there. I'm going to try to get as close as possible without scaring it away. There it goes on the fence. It's loud. And of course the sound of the lawnmower. One of the neighbors is mowing the yard. And of course my pup scared it, ran off to the other side of the fence. Anyway, just want to share that with you. The other one, I don't know if you can see one just flew by. Pretty much they've been playing each other for the past half hour. And I just on the inside and just looking out the window. It's a beautiful day, so I basically just have the windows open and get the fresh air in and listen to the sound of nature. So anyway, signing off, and just want to quickly attach this one with the other one to and send this off. But anyway, love what I'm doing, and if you would like to know what I do and how I'm able to stay home and be with my outside, spending time, listening to the sound of nature, enjoying life, uh, click the link below or check a link somewhere on the screen here. But there should be a couple of links below in the description, and you can just connect with me there. and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. And you know what? I forgot to mention my video day. I believe this is day 13. So this is my part of my 90-day video challenge, and this is day number 13. It's one of those not so good numbers. I probably that's why I don't remember it. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye.